This is an elevating. Being a celebrity is an elevating. Being a wife, being an elevating. 3-piece 31 connect. No, never argue and push one man it out, and him never argue no way yet. On a move on a nasty bumble wall. I want to feel like. When I can't make me shame my eye, me don't shame. When I know me no blood clot shame, I entertain and not entertain. You know what sweet me? Queenie, don't bring your business for internet. Come off of the meter. I mean, put it for internet. I mean, video your fucker, you know. I am the fucking queen of Marine. If me not shit and I can't swallow. If you not see disgusting, awful, any blood clotting about that woman here, on a can't yam on a food. Me don't shame, me don't lame, and me not take no blood clot blame. Bad me blood clot, bad. Me not sad, and me not mad, no move on a dirty blood clot, and go look at life and come out of me. I am a celebrity. Keep on coming on video. Don't stop blood clot video, cause me not care. No man is an island, no man stand alone. Let me tell you this. All I want to write and comment and share up and work out is when I come off at the end of the next line, me have to sort out my life. You say all who bash me, a dash me, and a splash me. Hear this now. Me and Dowey is no longer together. Dowey say he does not want to be with me because this is not for him. So now I'm free, single, and disengaged. So all who did a pray for it, a plan for it, and a wait for it, so I get it here now. So me is on the move. One man against the fucking world. Me free, single, and disengaged. I get what I want, and that me did want. But me have to deal with it. Because me now get up. War with nobody for stay with me, or war with nobody for love me, or war with nobody for honor me, and for appreciate what I do for them. So peace out, the way the queen has spoken. The ball will start. Wake up, Queenie. Remember the dream where you get wake up beers? It's a different woman, you know. Me now use a shame face and shake the cock up and all who sit down with that plan for me and do it live forever. It no work out because him just tell me say this is not for him and you don't want to be in it. So listen, me now hide, me now slide and me now glide. Me I tell you as it is. I'm free, single and disengaged. Me and doing not together. So me I do me. Me is one man against the world. Me go up on Jamaica, go to Jamaica for 2 weeks holiday and do it one. I know people busy that I like people busy that I wonder where I go. And all of this start me and do it go down there for 2 solid weeks, 14 days. That even an argument we not have. We live good and nice. When him come back the day before, I'm saying, no, baby girl, I'm not ready for go up, you know. But remember, we have a booking for the same day where we are coming, which is the people that pay me their money. So me have to come work. So from I reach, I'm going to be at airport, him start give me attitude. From him wake up the morning, him start give me attitude. Me and myself now, no say me I come, because me have shit for them. Me have to come look money for go back at Jamaica, because money blood clot done. Anywhere, from him dep on the flight for 10 hours, him not chat to me. So when the flight land at Gatwick Airport, I come off and I chat to him and walk by myself, check out. When him come out and check out and I see me, him call him cousin, never call me and tell him cousin say me gone left him. Me stand up and hear him. So when me hear me say what the blood clot you call people for before you call me, and that's on a video and put on pink wall. No shame to my game, a bad no blood clot, me not take no fuckery. Because him humble my saint. Because do we humble, do we a silent killer. Do we not talk and him no loud and him no cussy and him dagger me like a fucking sword over and over again. Me physically, me mentally, me spiritually drain. This man do him little action. How the fuck me you go for holiday and you go vex with me because you not come back and we never plan and prepare for that. You must have ulterior motive. Say, no, I go be blood clot war. Me a fool. What the fuck I feel like? I don't want explanation. I don't want to work out people's life. I can't work out my life. I just enjoy and get the entertainment I want to get because me and do life still upside down and I may never sort it out. And right now, when the man said to me, I don't tell you what I want already. I tell you, say, this is enough for me. I don't want to hear that. Come tell me that from last night, I'm a counseling all day today and thinking of that change in blood clot mind. So when I sit down and go like, you can't help me. When me so powerful and can't help myself, but God help me, Queen, we have